Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will guide you how you can easily install PyCharm IDE 2022 version 2 on Windows. So what you want to do is just right here and right here PyCharm IDE, and then also download. So when you're gonna have it, you're gonna have download PyCharm, and then you're gonna have the professional here, or you can simply choose for the community. So for professional, you would have 30-day trial available. And we're gonna start in this tutorial with the community because it's like similar. And you want to click download. Then you're just gonna wait until it's going to get downloaded. It's gonna be in a few seconds. And then we're gonna continue. Of course, you can install it for macOS or Linux or just Windows. And when you have it, and when it's going to be installed, just open the file. In the moment you're gonna open it, there is going to be, you have to press yes. That's why you saw black screen, because like the recorder can capture it. And then you're gonna press next. Then you simply choose where you want to install it. Okay, and then press next here. So when you're gonna have it, you can have option here to choose a PyCharm Community Edition desktop shortcut. I would also add open folder as project, and click here for create associations. And also you can have update path variable, but to do that I would recommend having it. But again, you will need to have a restart. So I'm not going to click on this tutorial, but I would have also the bin folder to the path. And then press next here. Then you're gonna have the JetBrains here. Okay, install. And now we're gonna wait until it's going to get installed. So by the way, while it's going to be installed, I hope guys that you're gonna have like amazing day, and I hope you're feeling good. So hope it's installed right now. Oh, we're gonna have it just in a moment. And now run PyCharm Community Edition, finish. And now you have options to config installation or install directory. If you have it, you would fill it here, or no, do not import settings, and press OK. And then here we are. So what you're gonna do is when you're gonna enter PyCharm, I'm going to like open it, and you can simply click here new project, and right here you can change the location, and I can have like hide there, and then you're gonna have the environment using, or you can have also the base interpreter here. And when you fill everything here like previously config interpreter, if you want to add, you can change it. And when you have it, press create here. And we're just gonna wait now. And here we are. So this is pretty much it, how you can do it. If you're gonna have any questions, guys, let me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. So you can always like play it and right click and run main right here, or you can easily debug main. Hi PyCharm. and we can go simply, let's say, delete it. And now I can write here hello world, and I can go if it's working correctly. Nine. 5 plus 4 is 9. And you can go like the same thing. Well, I would go like minus b. Then I will go print, let's say. Okay, and then I would go like this again, just for testing it out. And I would run it. And look at this, here we got all the results. So that's pretty much it, how we can use it. It's pretty fun. Hope you're gonna have a great day. And if you're gonna have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. And yeah.